Hello guys, I'm down at the unit. I've legged it down just before it gets dark. It's getting dark now, isn't it? About 4:30, 5 o'clock, so I've got about half an hour. So I'm going to quickly get this Thunderace out, and I've bought some bobbins, some paddock stand bobbins for it. These were like, I don't know, £7 off Amazon or something. So I'm going to put them on, and then it'll help me do a bit more work with it, easier. I've still got the battery on charge, so I need to see how that's doing, and then we'll crack on. Right, I'm sort of like racing against time because it's starting to get a bit dark. Anyway, I put the bobbins on. So now we can start doing a bit of maintenance. I'm going to take the tank off, get to the carbs, and then we'll see what the crack is. Right, that rear rugger, we're knackered. It was literally held on by one bolt. That one there. The others, it just fell out from there. So I'll give the chain a quick wipe. So I think I can save that chain, to be honest with you. It looks okay. So what I'll do now is I'm just going to blitz it with some of this fucking grease, and then I'll get the petrol tank off. Right, that was held on by about 50 fucking cable ties. That's broke, but if I can't mend it, let's get another one. Let's get these fuckers things off. Couldn't get the key in when that panel was on, so I'm suspecting that's bent, but looking at that, it's fucked anyway. It's rusty, isn't it? So what I'll do now is I'll take the airbox off, and then we will have a look at the carbs. Definitely needs a clean, lads, doesn't it? Fucking does. I don't think this has been running quite a long time. No X-up cable on it. In fact, that servo's fucking solid, that's why. Oh, and I can just about turn it. So, in fact, what exhaust has it got on it? Has it got oh no, right, oh, hang on. Let's see what it's got on. I don't think it's got the original. Oh right, it's got a 4:1 on, cool. So they've done away with X-up anyway. Right, that's not too bad. We can live with that. Yes. So it's getting really dark now, so I'm gonna have to fucking hurry up and get cracked on. Right. So what I'll do is I'll take the airbox off, and I think I'm going to call it a do, because it's going to be pitch black soon. But my goal is completely strip it so it's just the frame, engine, wheels, exhaust, radiator. Well, obviously the wiring loom, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Right, that's off. So that one's alright. That one's stuck solid. That one's alright. Oh, and that one. So this one stuck solid. That's probably why it won't start. So we'll get a bit of this shit in it. Squirt a fucking shitload down there. Come on, you bastard. Right. We need to just get that going. There we go. You can see all muck there, look. that's been sticking it. I thought I'm going to have to take these carbs off, but we might just get away with right. All butterflies are open. If I just try and... I can't fucking keep that open, can I? So you can see all butterflies are opening, which is good. Just fucking give that a load of blasting down there. Right guys, I think what I'll do next time I'm down is I will bring a gallon of petrol and bring my fucking bottle, and then we'll well, obviously the battery will be charged up by then, and then we'll give it a go and see if it'll start. Yeah, let's do that shit. Right, so that's it for now. So I've just coated that chain in a bit of that white grease just to let it soak in. Once we get it started, we'll put it in first gear and let it spin around a bit. We'll check the water before we start it, we'll check the fucking oil and everything like that, and then we'll give it a go. Main job is to get it started. So I will probably see you probably Saturday morning or something.